Okay, so let's take a look at this. Algebra 6. Right, so the algebra question. Wait, why? Okay, question number 6, algebra question. Can you see the question?
Yeah.
Visible, Okay, so an empty water tank has a capacity of 3005. Pump A can fill the tank at a rate of X liters per minute. Pump B fill it at a rate of X minus 10 liters. So write down an expression for the number of minutes it would take to fill the tank using pump A. So, okay, first thing, because tank A can fill the tank X liters per minute, the capacity is 3005. What is the time that it takes to fill the tank? All you have to do is to take 3500 divided by X. Okay, so that's actually part A. Is this one alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to assume that you are hearing, right? So in case you cannot hear me or I sound like I'm not doing anything, you gotta call me or something, right? That means the connection is not so good. Okay, because over here I'm just talking non-stop,
Okay.
right? And then if there's a question, I'll just ask you lah.
Okay.
Right? But if not, I'm talking non-stop. I'll just keep talking as if I'm doing the entire paper myself. But you can stop me at any point of time. Just feel free to stop me, right? Don't doze off,
Yeah.
Yeah, if you doze off, I'll go to your house find you. Okay. Right. All right. So let's continue. Right. So so far, just update our paper one, paper 2, whatever we have done for last year is still doable. I think you also understand what's going on, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So definitely doable, right? So we shall continue. So part B, write down an expression in terms of X for the number of minutes it will take to fill the tank using pump B. Now because for pump B is X minus 10 liters per minute. So I would have to just take 3500 divided by X minus 10. Now all this timing given would be in terms of minutes. It's in terms of minutes. So I got these two figures. Next part C. So C says it takes 21 minutes longer to fill the tank using pump B than using pump A. Okay, so there is a bit of a time issue now. It takes 21 minutes longer. So which one is longer? Pump B. That means if I take pump B, I minus this one. This one is 21 minutes longer than this one. So yeah, so if I take one, I minus the other, I should get 21 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna find some space because need to do some work here. So 3500 over x minus 10. Because pump B is going to take more time. So if I were to take away 21, it will be equal to 3500 divided by x. This is the equation. This one is it okay? Do you understand how I get this?
Can you repeat again?
Okay, let me repeat one more time. So you see it takes part C. Part C says that it takes 21 minutes longer, right? It takes 21 minutes longer, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So to fill using pump B, it takes 21 minutes longer to fill using pump B. That means the time here is 21 minutes more than the previous one.
So then showing you plus 21.
It's 21 more. So if you want to plus, you should take this plus this. You should take the 3500 over x plus, or you can take the other one minus.
But it's long. It's 21 minutes more.
Yeah.
The B, right? The 3500.
B takes 21 minutes more.
Oh, B takes 21 minutes more.
Then it takes 21 minutes. See, it takes 21 minutes longer to fill the tank using pump B. So pump B is a slow one.
Oh, okay.
So I take the pump B. This one is pump B.
Hmm.
B, right? Take away 21 minutes. It should be equal to the time taken for A.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's continue. By the way, do you know there's a new game in town?
How about game?
The COD.
Oh, yeah.
You got play or not?
I downloaded it, but I haven't played it yet.
Never play, Lama. Already level 30 something.
Huh?
Yeah, because these are my childhood games, you know.
Yeah.
I used to play all this when I was young, so yeah, I like it. I think it's one of the best FPS game in so far, right? So why did I talk about that? Because this lag, you know, there's a bit of lag here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it reminds me of the COD lag that I get. A bit glitchy, but still fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's continue. So we get this equation. Now this equation we need to transform so that it looks like this one. Okay? So that it looks like this. So what do? We combine them. Let's just combine them. Now, as we go along, you have any suggestion, you can just say, alright? Even though it's a bit glitchy, that means I will hear you like half a second later, but it's fine. Alright?
Okay.
You can just say if you, okay, so what do? What I will do is I will rearrange them. I will put everything to the left hand side.
Yeah.
So I get 3500. No, sorry, I won't put on the left hand side. I will combine first. Change of plan, right? We combine these two first. Okay, so to combine them, because it's 21 over 1.
Yeah.
It's x minus 10 minus 21 times x minus 10. So common denominator is x minus 10 equals 3500 over x. Alright, next. So I just minus the top. So 3500 minus 21x plus 210. This is where I rainbow in the minus 21, okay? Okay, so the next step, because I have a fraction equal to a fraction, the next step is to just do a cross multiply. Just cross multiply. So I'm gonna just cross multiply. So 3500. Oops. Okay, so this one plus 210 will be 3710. So we gotta multiply with x minus 21x squared equals to cross multiply. So this one times here, this one times here. Alright, so 3500 times x minus 1. Yeah, so 3500 x minus 35000. Okay, so let's do more shifting. So these two terms going to shift to the left. Are you also doing?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so once I reach this part, I divide everything by -7. So I get 3x squared minus plus 30 x minus 5,000.
Why do you divide it by 7?
Divide by -7 because our question see our question wants 5,000, right? So to get that number 21 must divide by 7 to get 3.
Oh, okay.
Right, that's exactly what they want. Okay, so that's what they are looking for. Divide by 7 to get the 3. So once we get this, it's just shown. It's shown. Right, next. Okay, so next, solve this thing giving your answer to 2 decimal places. So this is a very big clue, right? Why is this a big clue? That means it tells me that this one, I can't just use factorization. I cannot use factorization. If I cannot use factorization, what do I do?
Use the what's it called? The square.
Okay. Complete the square, or you can use formula, general formula. So I'm just gonna use general formula. Right, what's the general formula? X equals to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. It's alright. So I just use the formula, and the general formula actually gives me x equals 46.13 or negative 36.13. So 2 decimal places, that's good enough. So next one, calculate how long it would take to fill the tank from empty using pump A and B together. Alright, so now I'm using them together. Together, what do we do if it's together?
Plus.
Okay, by the way, yeah. So by the way, over here, right, we will just use this one. Okay, we don't accept this.
Oh, don't accept the negative, right?
No, cannot have negative. The timing don't have negative.
Okay.
Because x is part of the timing.
Okay.
Okay, so how long would it take? Now I've got to add them together. Let's see. Pump A fill the tank at x liters, pump B at x minus 2. Okay, so we add them together. Now what we do is we take, so the time taken it's actually 3500 divided by x plus x minus 10. Because x plus x minus 10 is the time taken for both. So we will evaluate this. And from the previous question, we found that x is 46. So if x is 46, we just put into the equation. So we get 3500 divided by 46.13 plus 46.13, take away 10. Right, so evaluating this, we will get 42 minutes and 30 seconds. So that is the total time taken. Okay, so far any question for this?
No.
No. Easy or not?
Yeah, quite easy.
Yeah, can do. How many marks? 1, 2, 7, that's 11. Yeah, so I think it's fine. Not too bad. Okay, just need to go through. Okay, this one, this is gonna take a while. The next one, question 7. Right, I see circles, I scared. Okay, circle phobia, because I scared all these angles. They, especially this type. You know what's wrong with this type? They never give any numbers or no.
Yeah.
Ah, scary, right? No number, how to find? So, no. Alright, so let's try to put in some numbers ourselves. Okay, so first of all, we have a diameter, so this must be 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees, and that's all I know. Do you have any other information?
No.
No, I still don't know what else to see. Okay, so let's say AB is a diameter, CD is a diameter, AC are tangent. Show that OA is congruent to OBD. Let's find OAC first. OAC, right? Congruent to OBD. OBD. Right. So let's try RHS. So we have the right hand side thing, right? Okay, so this right hand side. So that means angle ACO equal angle BDO 90 degrees. Why are they 90 degrees? Because this is a diameter.
So everything at the diameter is 90 degrees.
Hey, wait a minute. No. Because it's a tangent. This one is tangent. Tangent to the radius.
Okay.
Tangent radius, right? So we should write the reason. I'm not going to write it here. Okay, so that's one. Now the other one is this length are the same. OC equal OD because both are radius. Okay, both are radius. So I got one angle. This is like A, and this is S. What else can I find? The radius again, right? Is equal to this because it's the radius of circle. So AO is equal to BO. It's the radius.
Aren't the two angles the
Vertically opposite.
yeah.
Also can. So you want to use that also can. So you got angle. Yeah, AOC equals to BOD. This is another A. So you have a lot of options. Which one you want to choose? Right, so you just choose any three of them. SS, ASS, SAS. Okay, so this one is settled. Okay. All right, so now they give us some numbers. The radius of the large circle is 7. OAC is 30. Let's fill that in. Okay, so let's fill that in. The radius is 7. So the large circle is like here. This one, This is 7. Okay, yellow color 7. OAC is 30. So this. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Right. Do you hear like another person talking?
No.
I heard like a way, something like that. Okay, never mind. That's my imagination. Okay. So okay, what's our objective? Calculate the area of triangle OAC. Okay, so let's see how to find this one. Area OAC, half times base times height. Congruent. Half times base times height. Wow, how many marks is this? 3 marks. My God. See that? Okay, I don't have a clue. Do you have a clue? Looking at it, I to be honest, first hand I can't tell. No, how to find?
Can use Pythagoras theorem.
But
No.
I don't have. I only have 1, 7.
I mean, can use a Torcaso.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So which one you want to find? We need to find the base, right? CO, right? So this is reference angle. Okay, so cos opposite, and so sine 30 equals to OC divided by 7. Is that what you are thinking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I didn't see this. So you know what? You become clever already. Or maybe I become stupider. I must go and drink my morning coffee. It's too early. My brain haven't wake up. Okay. Really, I'm honest. I couldn't tell. Something wrong. Okay, so anyway, let's try to do this, right? So OC equals to sine 30, press calculator. Sine 30 times 7. So I get 3.5. This is 3.5. And I also need this AC. AC, you can use Pythagoras or you can use trigonometry. So adjacent, so cosine, right? Adjacent over 7. So AC equals to 6. 6.06. So to find the area of this triangle, half times 6.06 times 3.5, 10.6. So that is my first answer, 10.6. cm squared. Okay, next objective, calculate the shaded area. I have no idea what's the shaded area. Refer to the book.
No, it's the
Where is it?
circle.
Okay, I'm gonna draw it out. Yeah, I have the book so I can see the thing. Alright. Right. And the other side here. Oh, what's this? Oh. Okay, you get the idea?
Yeah.
Oh no. It's good. Cannot shade. Okay, I might get the idea. It's the other side also same. It's here. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, so how to find shaded area? We will take the big circle, right? Then minus the triangle and whatever is inside. Or maybe I need to find this first. You know this part? Okay, how to find this part? The blue shaded part. To find the blue shaded part, we're gonna take this triangle. Okay, we're gonna take this triangle. Oh man. See the triangle? Green color one?
Yeah.
Minus away the quadrant. Right?
Yeah.
You see that? You take the green triangle minus the quadrant. Okay, for this, I'm not going to go through everything. I'll just go through the method. So you see, we take the green color minus the yellow color, you're going to get the blue. Right? So we're going to take the entire circle, take away the blue, two of the blue color part, and then after that, minus the circle. We will have the shaded area. Right? Is that okay? I'm not going to go through everything. I think it's fine. So that's nine marks, right? Easy to earn. Easy money. You see those YouTube videos?
Yeah, the ads.
Easy money. Wow. It's always like that. So it's the same, right? I think it's pretty simple, this one. So O-level friendly, but you gotta know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Like you really gotta practice more. Okay? So next, question number 8. Question 8. Show that AE is 22.6 correct to 3 significant figure. Where is AE? AE is here. So it's the diagonal side. The vertical height is 20. Let's draw in the vertical height. Vertical height here. Oh. $20. Okay. So what do you do? Okay, so we gotta find this thing. We use another color. Green color. We need to find this line. You see, one of the reasons why I like to use this is
Because you can
because
change the color.
yeah, I can change color. And usually when I'm talking, it's very hard to explain, right? You cannot visualize, right?
Yeah.
But when I use different colors, right, it suddenly becomes so clear. So can you tell me how to find the green color line? Clue is you gotta use this too. I want a green color line. Another clue, this 90 degrees. What? Did you say pi something?
No.
But it is pi something.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, it's Pythagoras. Why? Because the triangle actually looks like this. Plain view. This is 15, 15. And the green color line is here. Can you visualize?
No.
Plain view. Plain. That means just this ABC.
Oh yeah. I can see already.
B, C. So how to find the shaded green color thing? We gotta take so AB squared equals to 15 squared plus 15 squared. AB equals to 21.2. Yeah. Okay, so that's 21.2. Okay, that's 21.2. I can find. Okay, 21.2 is the whole thing. So I need to divide by 2 to find 1/2. So it's 10.6. 1/2 of it is 10.6. Alright. Now I have another triangle. See the red color one?
Yeah.
So this is 20. This is 10.6. This is E. Let's call this X. A. So AE, can I find A? Definitely, right? Pythagoras again. Okay, AE squared equals to 10.6, so we can find AE equals to, using our calculator, we get, do you get 22.6?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
do-
just using calculator. Yeah, 22.6, okay? So that would give us 3 marks. Happy as a bird. Next. Okay, calculate angle BAE. So, angle BAE. Angle BAE. Okay, wrong. BAE. It's here. Angle BAE. Okay, we gotta find another thing before we can do that. We gotta find this line. Okay, can you see the purple color line?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to find the purple color line. So to find the purple color line, what the? It's getting a bit messy here. Wait, is there another way? Let me see. $22.6. Okay, so actually I don't have to do that. Alright, so I found another easier way. Let me show you, right?
Okay.
So this is the whole triangle. Here is 22.6. Here is 15. So I need this angle. What I do is I split into half. So if I split into half, each, oops, this side is 7.5.
Huh? Why? Oh, because 15 divided by.
Yeah, just divided by 2. This is A, and E is at the top. Okay, so to find this angle, I have hypotenuse, I have adjacent. Okay? Alright, so we focus here. I have hypotenuse and adjacent is cosine. Cosine, let's say theta, is equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Alright? Look at it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now next to find theta. Cosine inverse this one. So use calculator. We get 70.6. Right, so that's 70.6 degrees. And we score another 3 marks. Yeah. Next one. Any question first?
No.
Okay, last, find the, sorry.
No question.
Okay, last is find the total surface area of the pyramid. Now to find total surface area, you have to find the net. Okay. Now the area of the net, the bottom is 15. So this is 15 times 15. This is 225. The square is 225. Now next we find one triangle. Okay, what's one triangle? To find one triangle, you gotta refer to this part. This is one triangle. Now how do we find the area of this triangle? You have to find this height. Okay, let's call this h. So how to find the height? Pythagoras theorem. Is it alright?
Yeah.
So h is equal to yeah, 21.3. So h is 21.3. Now once I get h is 21.3, what's the area of each one of them? It's 15 times 21.3. You get 319.5. Right. So each one of these is 319.5. So to find the total area, we gotta take 4 times of plus 225. Good. Wait, there seems to be some error. Let's check. Oh, I forgot to divide by 2.
Oh wait.
Yeah. Triangle formula.
Uh.
Half times base times height. Right? So I gotta divide by 2. 159.75. So each one of them Alright, so we got 864, right? And that is correct. And that would be 3 more marks. Okay?
Fine.
And the next one. Okay, so a smaller similar pyramid is removed from the top of the original pyramid. The diagram shows the solid remaining. Vertical height is 4. Calculate the area of the top PQRS of the remaining solid. Wow. Okay, so they chop off something at the top. The vertical height is 4. From here down here. This is 4. Let's chop off about 16. Okay, so we're gonna visualize it. What happened here? Here left 4. So they chop off 16. So find the area of the top. Now to find the area of the top, I will need this length. Or rather, I need this whole length. Alright. So there's actually similar triangles here. You know similar triangle?
Similar. Where?
This triangle is similar to this triangle. The big and the small thing, remember? So there's a big triangle and a small triangle.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
So we're gonna use the idea of similar triangle. The height of the yellow color is 20. Now the height of the small one is 16. So the ratio is actually 1 and 1/4. So it's 5/4. The ratio between the big and the small is 5:4. Do you understand this part?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I want to find this. Now I want to find this blue color line. Okay, so how to find this blue color line? We have to we have to use the bottom, which is 15. So big over small, with the base 5/4. Okay, so the base is 12. Right? That means this part is 6, this part also 6. Now if I found that that is 6, so it's basically here, this thing is 12. Okay, so if it's a square base, 12 times 12, it should give me 144. Is that alright for this part of the question?
Yeah.
Use similar triangle.
Now how do you see it though?
I just try just try different things. That means I try to look at it from different angles. I also have done a lot of questions before, so I know roughly how it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that I gotta use the similar triangle. Now, even if you don't know that you must use similar triangle, the rest, you can still score the 9 marks over here.
Yeah. Okay.
The last question is a bit like it's actually very difficult, the last one. If you don't know similar triangle, you'll be using all sorts of ways to try to find out the answer. Okay, and then you wouldn't be able to get it. So must use similar. Okay. Next one. Okay, so we have another person, right? What the name, huh? Her name is Jiao. Just one word, Jiao. Yeah. But not so nice, why? You know Hokkien? You know what's Hokkien in Jiao?
What?
Bird. So her name is Bird. Hey Bird, come here, Bird. Yeah, so Jiao is researching maternity care. She searches the internet to find some information. So she finds information about the masses of 50 newborn babies born in the hospital. Okay, cumulative frequency curve here. Okay, so I'm supposed to copy and complete the table. the mass, right? For I need to fill in this stuff. Okay, so we gotta heavily rely on this table.
Yeah.
To see. Now let's take a look. What's between 3 and 3.5?
3.3.
Right? No. We have to go and find between 3 and 3.5. This is where the color comes in useful again. 3. Then 3. Okay. So what's the number there?
15.
Yeah. Oh no. So this 15.
Mm-hmm.
Now how about the other 3.5? Are very long. Okay, so what number is that?
34.
34, yeah. So 34 minus
19.
Yeah. That means here we will fill in 19. Okay, so we fill in 19. Now the next one, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5. Okay, might as well draw everything. 3.5 to 4. And the last one is at the top. Okay, so this is 50. The other one is what? 46. 46, right?
Yeah.
So 46 minus 34. This is 12. And the other one is actually 4. Is that alright? So
Yeah.
that's how you fill in the cumulative frequency table. Alright? Yeah, so next, calculate an estimate on the mean mass of each baby. Okay, so how do we find the mean? What's the meaning of mean?
The mean
What's the meaning?
average.
Average, okay. So how to find average? You gotta use this. You need to find the midway between 2 and 2.5. What's the halfway between 2 and 2.5? It's 2.25. Okay, then here halfway is 2.75, 3.25, 3.75, 4.25. Okay, so that's the middle. You know how I get all these numbers?
The middle.
How do I get 2.25?
Divide.
Can you show me how to get 2.25, 2.75?
Divide it. Divide it. Divide it.
By what? What divided by what?
2.5 divided by.
No, let me show you, right? It's plus 2 plus 2.5 divided by 2. Halfway, right? On the middle, halfway. So add the two of them and divide it by 2. So I'm going to get all the oops. Okay, so I get all the figures Okay, then multiply with what? With the frequency. So the working will be 2.25 times 4 plus 2.75 times 11 plus 3.25 times 19 plus 3.75 times 12 plus 4.25 times 4. Next, the whole thing we got to divide by the frequency. What's the total frequency?
50.
50. Oh no. Yeah, 50. So divided by 50. Okay, so pressing everything into the calculator, I actually get 3.26. I get 3.26 kilograms. Alright?
Okay.
Awesome. Next one, calculate an estimate of the standard deviation. So for standard deviation, you gotta use the standard deviation formula. Do you know the standard deviation formula?
No.
Okay, SD. Now in this case, what we do is, okay, I need a lot of space. Okay, so I ran out of space. This is how it works. Can you see the formula?
Yeah.
Okay, basically what happened is first I take all these numbers, all these 2.25, 2.75, right? I square them. See, I square it.
Yeah.
Square it. Square already times the frequency. Okay, times the frequency. Square already. You see, square it times frequency. 19. Then I add them together and divide by the total frequency of 50. Then the final outcome must minus the mean square. Right, so you can refer to the formula as to how it is done, and you should get a 0.524. Okay, use formula. Any question on standard deviation?
No.
No, okay. So we're gonna just continue. So she finds that why the mean and the standard deviation are estimates.
It's not an exact.
Okay. Okay. Why is it estimate? Because we don't know the mass of each baby. Why? Because what did she do?
Searches the internet.
Can you trust the internet?
No.
You can't trust the internet. So Jiao, hello Jiao. You do research, why you go search the internet? To find some information. So, and then she found this information. Alright, so all she did was she had this curve. You see that? Jiao has some curve, but she doesn't have the actual data. Is that alright?
Yeah.
So that's why when you use the estimate, when you use the internet information, it's all estimates. Okay, it's not the actual number. So you must tell Jiao not to trust the internet all the time. Okay. Yeah, that's the real answer.
So it's because of no.
The real answer, that is the real answer, because it's just an estimated figure. It's not the real mass of the 50 babies.
Okay.
Yeah, she didn't get the real info because hospital will not give gel. Right? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you imagine she go to the hospital? Hi, my name is Jiao. I want the information, right, about 50 babies mass. Can you give that to me? Yeah, so it's not gonna happen, okay? Especially when, yeah. So anyway, let's continue. So newspaper article says that 90% have a greater mass than 2.8. Does the data support this claim? %90 have a mass greater the data. Now, we need to find 2.8 kilogram first. So where's 2.8 kilogram? Let's mark it out. Where's 2.8? So 2.5, 2.6, 7, 8. Starts from here. Right? Okay, what's the number? 9, right?
Yeah, 9.
Number 9?
9.
So 9. 9 out of how many?
50.
50. So the information says 90%. No. So the data does not. Why? Because 9 out of 50 times 100, we get about 18%. So 100 minus 18 is 82%. So it's not 90.
Why do you think 100 minus 18?
Okay, now because they want, what do they want? They want babies that have a greater mass than 2.8.
Okay.
Greater means they don't want this part. No, they don't want this part.
Everything
They want the one above.
Yeah, okay.
So I got a minus. Okay.
Yeah.
And the O level has gone up. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 points.
Wow, 6.
Right? Oh no, it's not the end because they want to give you more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11 marks. Yeah. So far, is it okay?
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad, right? I think do really you gotta go and do the test,
Yeah.
Yeah, if not, it's a waste. Wasted. Okay, so we're gonna do this final one. I think, is it the final question? No. Oh yeah, that's the last one. This is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so I think we can complete this now.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Are you going for lunch?
Yeah, I'm going for lunch after this lesson.
Okay, where are you going for lunch?
I'm not so sure yet.
I'm not sure. I can recommend you a coffee shop.
Yeah.
You know the mixed vegetable shop?
Yeah, the teochew porridge.
I go there every day,
Yeah, that's my favorite place also.
Yeah, I go every day.
Yeah.
The fans know me already. Straight away, I always don't get rice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he'll be like, you, no rice. Right. Okay. I don't know. I think there are other people who does that as well. But anyway, he recognized me. Alright. So anyway, let's take a look at this. Okay, find as a fraction. Okay, I'm looking at the question now. Yeah. One of these mothers is selected at random. Find as a fraction is lowest term the probability that she's under 30. Each of the mother gave birth to only one. So first of all, how many mothers are there? You gotta count. Let's add all the numbers. So there's 10 here, and this is 15. Okay, so altogether, how many mothers are there? 25, right? Alright, so they want those under 30. How many do we have that's under 30?
10.
So they want as a fraction, so 10 over 25. What would that give us? 2/5. Okay?
Yeah.
So the first answer is 2/5. Okay? Give away marks, charity. Okay, so two of the mothers selected at random. Find the probability they have a baby girl. Alright, so two are selected at random. Now, where is the baby girl? Girl. Alright, so how many mothers had girls? 7 and 6. What's 7 plus 6?
13.
13. So first selected one. Now for both to have girls, first selected is 13 upon 25. Okay, now because this is 2, selection of 2, both have a baby girl. That means first and second. Okay, can you see the word and?
Yeah.
Means you must times. After you took away one girl, you're left with 12 left out of 24. So the probability is 13 over 25 times 12 over 24. We get the calculator 13 out of 50. Okay? 13 out of 50. Next, so they are both age 30 or over, but only one has a baby. Oh, this one difficult. 2 marks. Okay, so both 30 or over. Both 30 over. So it's okay. So since both are 30 or over, and one has a baby boy, that means it's boy, girl, or girl, boy. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
No.
Alright, I like your answer. Okay, so let's understand the English, this thing. Both over 30 years old.
Yeah.
Only one has a baby boy. Okay, so I gotta select 2 person. 1 and 2. These are mothers, by the way. Alright, so both of them must be above 30. Where are the mothers above 30? On the right hand side, right?
Yeah.
Right, so that means must come from this category. Okay, 2 of them. Now, there are 2 possibilities. You see, only one has a baby boy. That means either this got a boy. Now, if this first one got boy, second one is a girl. Or 2 mothers again. This one girl has a long one, hair very long. Yeah. Right? So, girl, boy. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so only these 2 possibilities, boy, girl, or girl, boy. Now, what is the probability of choosing this mother with a boy? above 30 years old. You see how many? 9. There's only 9 of them. So the probability of getting the first mother is 9 upon 25. Now how about the second one? Girl, above 30, girl, 6, right?
Above 25.
No, it's above upon 24.
24.
Because over here, you already took out 1.
Okay.
Yeah, so left only 24. Now, because of this, what do we do?
Time. 8.
Plus. This one is and. Boy and girl. So because of and, we times. Because of all, we plus. And then this one is girl and boy, right? So we can find this again. This is 6 upon 25, 9 upon 24. Okay, so this is the entire sum. What you need to do. Okay, so key into the calculator and we will get 9 upon 50. Right? 9 upon 50. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so this would be, I think we can stop here for today.
Okay.